landscape here is stunning. I'm not using a mic on purpose, just so you can hear how loud and horrible the washboard road is, and the wind is just insane. It's kind of incredible to see.
Lee's been guard goosed. You a big bad dog. Hey? We're all set up for the night. We've got ourselves a lovely little beach spot, and we've decided we're going to make kebabs. Right. So, let me explain why this is hilarious. We have 2 kebab skewers, okay? So we're going to make some naan bread, and we're going to make a fire. We bought some firewood because there is nothing out here you can burn at all. And we're going to make some nice, dirty Friday night takeaway style kebab thingy bobbies. Obviously the man has got carried away.
Voila! Don't stab a cat.
Let's see.
Ain't nothing wrong with that.
What do you reckon, Fluffy Pie? You're going to use it as the toilet?
She approves.
That's all it's good for, huh? I think it's safe to say this is over-engineered.
Say what? Yeah? Do you want me to shove that somewhere? Ah! This desolate beach spot gave us a rare gift. Stillness. Time to reconnect with each other, unwind, and appreciate the little and complicated moments that our trip brings us.
This one. What you doing?